During his time as a student at CU Boulder, Aaditya Pore, known as Aadi, has made a difference in science in the community and among his peers. Aadi has contributed to advances in additive manufacturing, materials science, and engine component design, work that is shaping the future of flight and space exploration. He also founded the CU Gateway Club, which connects his fellow students to high-profile internships, including at NASA. His dedication to his fellow students is evident in his role as president of the Senior Class Council and as leader of CU's Legislative Council. He advocated for students shaping policy and stewarding key campus initiatives. Outside of CU, Aadi co-founded FreePPEKC, a nonprofit that delivered more than 8,000 units of 3D printed personal protective equipment during the pandemic. For his excellence in academics and his leadership on campus and beyond, the CU Boulder Alumni Association is pleased to present Aaditya Pore with the Forever Buff Student Award.